Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make the data cleansing. This is the tiny data set we have and we are struggling to fix the date format. As you can see, some dates are aligned to right and some dates are aligned to left. If you select the entire DOB stands for date of birth. You can convert them into number. If the dates are converted back to number, they're actually dates. Let's see, I'm selecting the entire column, going to this number segment and number. So you can see that some dates are converted back to number and some dates are actually aligned to left. So it's not right to say that some dates are aligned to left because only the text is aligned to left. The date which was entered, is wrong because the format on my laptop is DDMMYY. Can you see that? Control Shift hash, or you can see that. So this format, I have the format DDMMYY. So, if somebody type 23/9/2023, what is the date here? Control Shift hash is 23rd of September. If somebody type 09/23/2023, so what is the date for that? So, it's not recognizing the format because you have the format, different format. If you mention here 09/08/2023, so, as per you, this is MMDDYY, 8th of September. But what is the date? Control Shift hash. Now you can see this is the big issue when you type the date. So make sure you actually check the window. Otherwise, you type like that, 18th of August 2023. So this is how the date has to be entered. If you select Control Shift exclamation, it is converted back to number. So now let's see how we fix the incorrect date format into proper readable date format. So guys, first you sort your data, Alt-A-S-A. As you can see, when we press Alt-A-S-A, the correct format has come on the top and the incorrect format is aligned to the bottom or to the left. First, you convert that into proper date format, Control Shift hash, and this you can easily convert. You have to go to data and then go to text column. By default, you are having delimited option checked. Go to next, go to next. You have to force the date format MDY and see that your dates are properly formatted. Control Shift hash. So this is how the data has to be aligned. As you can see, we have some space also in the first name. How we can remove the space? Go to insert, Control R. You can simply use a function called trim. Trim function removes leading, trailing, and middle space. But here, the data, space has been removed, but it is not properly aligned. Okay. So how we can make it aligned, guys? So that's how the data has to be aligned. So you can see there is no space, but still how we can validate that? If you're using LAN function, LEN, which actually calculates the total number of characters in that. So Dallas, DALLAS, Dallas has 6 characters and it doesn't have unnecessary space. This is how you can validate, but still you can't keep this column as you have the modified column already ready. How you can delete that? First, you convert that into value. Control C. Once you press Control C, this paste option is enabled. You go there and just select 1, 2, 3. Now this formula has been converted into value. So this is called dancing ants or animation. You can press escape to remove that and simply you can delete this. So guys, this is how you can make your data cleansing. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much.